I think DCIM is right on the cusp of living up to those expectations. Like any new technology, it takes time to mature, right? And so customers actually have to deploy the technology and integrate with their current systems in order to finally take advantage of any type of tangible or sustainable results. Implementing DCIM really isn't too dissimilar to other large-scale enterprise software platforms like ERP, SAP, things like that. It takes time, it takes resources, and as a result, I think DCIM is now at that point where we're finally just getting to the point to capture those benefits. T5 Insight, right? Powered by StructureWare, and it truly is, the way we're pitching it, an ability to provide our customers with true transparency, visibility, control over their environments. And so we've integrated it with our BMS and EPMS systems, and our customers now can utilize the StructureWare platform using their handheld devices to take a look at what's going on in their environment in terms of power utilization, cooling, things like that, real time. At T5, the biggest benefit of deploying StructureWare DCIM really has been to gain a true insight as to what's happening on our data hall floor, is in terms of cooling efficiency, power utilization, space layouts, what's happening with network. It's really giving us a complete picture of our customers' deployments, and in the end, helping us run a more effective and efficient data center operation. At T5, customers are our #1 priority and our livelihood. So everything we do really is focused on meeting the needs of our customers. Our typical customer is that larger enterprise user who's used to owning their own facility or has a combination of owned facilities, co-location environments, and more typically now some type of cloud deployment as well. And so deploying a system like T5 Insight and StructureWare DCIM allows them to really get information that many of them wish they had within their own sites. And so it's truly a differentiator for us. For service providers like T5, it's really a win-win. It provides us the ability to get a really great understanding of what's happening on our data center floor, but then it also gives our customers a really unique insight as to what's happening within their deployments so they can better plan and understand how to best utilize their space within our T5 environment. The challenge with big data is that the data isn't useful unless it's turned into information. And we utilize StructureWare as that tool to help us monitor literally thousands of nodes on our data hall floor. The modules Data Center Expert and Data Center Operation then allow us to take that information, turn it into customizable reports that allow our operations team to optimize the cooling efficiency, power utilization, and space layouts that ultimately help us run a better and more efficient environment. As a multi-tenant data center, being able to manage multiple customers across a single data hall is one of our greatest challenges. And so using StructureWare, we're able to get really great insight into what's happening there and make real-time decisions to run an optimal environment. At T5, we went through a very thorough vetting process before selecting Schneider's StructureWare DCIM platform. DCIM, as a software package, created a lot of buzz, and as a result, there were a lot of entries into the marketplace, each with their own unique offering. So we took our time to talk to many different customers, prospects, other users and vendors to understand what matters most to them. You know, what functionality is most important, which not so important, and then ultimately took a look at Gartner's Magic Quadrant. At one point, there were 15 to 20 different vendors with different software offerings out there. StructureWare was in the leaders quadrant really from its inception. We have a great corporate relationship with Schneider and understand the commitment to DCIM as a platform and the continued growth of the development process and cycle. Companies of all sizes are trying to do more with less. Their main goal now is to better align their IT organizations with their core business. Tools like DCIM and other enablers of the software-defined data center are really at the forefront of giving customers back the control that they need to better align with their businesses. We're excited to be partnering with Schneider in our rollout of Schneider DCIM in order to give companies and our customers the information they need to better run their business.